It just makes me so happy to think what we're doing is become all over the news, and we're working with some musicians and artists. So here's what we've had to show you.
Take action, save, take hope. Take action, save, take hope.
This is a song about a friend of mine whose name's Graham, and he's an older man and he loves walking his dog. Every day you'll see him out walking his dog, and he loves getting out of town, up into the hills where it's quiet and there's no one to talk to him, but he also loves seeing his friends when he's on the walk and saying g'day. So that's what this song is about.
Walking the dog keeps my leg in shape, gives my Wi-Fi break, and I see my friends. All the power lines make me feel confined, and I've got to go up that road. Up above the fog where they truck the logs, where I clear the air. We're sailors at sea, we depend. You do what you do and I'll do my bit too. We're cards in a deck, different. Aristocratic you, and I'll count 1 to 10. Me, you, us two. You get in the car and I'll be walking the dog. Keeps my leg in shape, gives my Wi-Fi break, and I see my friends. All the power lines make me feel confined, and I've got to go up that road. Up above the fog where they truck the logs, where I clear the air.
We need to use our imagination to save the environment. 'Cause sometimes the craziest ideas are always the best. Take action, save, take hope. Take action, save, take hope. We need to use our imagination. We need to use our imagination. Save the dolphins, save the turtles, save the world from the change. Take hope.
We're bees in a swarm, we depend. You fanning your wings and I fan my wings too. We're mouths in a choir, one song sheet. You singing your part and I'll sing my part too. Me, you, us two. You get in the car and I'll be walking the dog. Keeps my leg in shape, gives my Wi-Fi break, and I see my friends. All the power lines make me feel confined, and I've got to go up that road. Up above the fog where they truck the logs, where I clear the air. Ba-do-do-da-do-do-do. Clear the air. Oh. Da-do-do-da-do-da-do-da-do-da-do-da-do. Clear the air.
Thank you very much.
At West Launceston Primary School, we've been filling bottles up with plastic. The plastics came from the school students. We stuffed all the plastic into these eco bricks. The eco bricks are for making garden beds. What? That would never work. We wouldn't be able to build garden beds out of plastic bottles. But now, we've already made 2 already. One down in the kinders with all the plastics the kinders made, and another one up further in the garden made out of cement.
Take action, save, take hope. Take action, save.